Okay, let's dive right in. We are going to tackle a huge topic today, AI for entrepreneurs. And look, my goal for this whole explainer is really simple. I want to take you from feeling totally overwhelmed by all the noise to feeling genuinely empowered to use this stuff in your business. Does this question hit a little close to home? You know, if you've been hearing that constant buzz about AI and you've got that nagging feeling in the back of your mind that maybe, just maybe, you're getting left behind, I want you to know something right from the get-go. This right here is the core message for everything we're about to talk about. It's not about being some kind of tech genius or knowing all the fancy jargon. Nope. It's just about taking one small step. And we're going to walk through exactly how to do that together. So let's start by just putting a name to that feeling. Section 1, AI overwhelm is real. Because you know what? It absolutely is. And it's time we just acknowledge that. This feeling, that uncertainty, that sense that you've fallen behind, it is so common. You are not alone in this. Seriously, most entrepreneurs are right there with you trying to figure out what this all means for them. But now, let's totally reframe this whole conversation. For Section 2, we are going to completely shift our perspective because it is time for you to meet your new assistant. Okay, let's just strip away all the complicated stuff. What is AI really? Forget the intimidating tech speak. For what we need, it's this: a super-powered assistant. That's it. It's someone who can take on tasks like writing content, summarizing long documents, brainstorming ideas with you, and just getting you organized. It's an amazing tool just waiting for you to tell it what to do. And you know what's kind of funny? You are already an AI user. You probably just don't think of it that way. I mean, when Spotify makes that perfect playlist for you, yep, that's AI. When Gmail magically finishes your sentence in an email, AI again. And when Google Maps saves you from a massive traffic jam by finding a new route, you got it. It's already part of your daily life. So this is the most crucial point. So really let this sink in. This is not about replacing you. It's about enhancing you. AI is a force multiplier for your skills, for your unique vision. You are still the boss. You're the strategist, the creative genius behind your business. AI is just the tool that helps you get it all done faster. So what do these assistants actually look like in the real world? Well, to avoid that overwhelm of a million different options, let's just focus on 3 different types of tools. Think of it like hiring for different jobs, right? You've got your all-rounder, like ChatGPT, for pretty much any general task. You've got your research specialist, like Perplexity, for when you need hard facts and sources. And then you have the integrated teammate, like Microsoft Copilot, that's already built into the software you use every day. Okay, the big picture is great, but let's get practical. Let's move on to Section 3 and talk about your very first AI task. This is where the magic really starts to happen. And remember, this isn't about mastering every single tool out there. That's not the goal. The only goal right now is to just get a little curious. That's it. All it takes is one simple step. So here it is, your entire plan, your quick start checklist, broken down into 5 easy steps. First, just pick one tool. That's it. Second, create your account. Most have free versions. Third, just copy and paste in a sample request, a prompt, to see how it works. Fourth, give it one tiny task from your actual to-do list. And finally, number 5, just take a second to pat yourself on the back. You did it. You're officially an AI user. So what does a prompt even look like? It sounds so technical, right? Well, it's not. It's just a request, in plain English. Look at this example. You're just telling the AI who you are, who you help, and what you need. It's a conversation. You're not writing computer code. You're just asking your new assistant for a little help. And here is a pro tip that should take all the pressure off. There is no such thing as a perfect prompt. You literally can't do it wrong. The whole point is to be playful, to experiment. If you don't like the first answer it gives you, just ask again in a different way. It's all about making progress, not being perfect. All right, let's move into our final section. Now that you know how to start, let's talk about where this is all headed. Section 4, welcome to the club.
So let's look at five real-world, practical ways that entrepreneurs are using these tools right now, today.
And just look at how useful these are. This is not science fiction. We are talking about finally getting ahead on your social media posts, drafting those tricky client emails in a fraction of the time, brainstorming new products when you feel completely stuck, summarizing those long meeting notes you never get to, and even getting instant market research on what your customers actually want. This isn't stuff for the future. This is saving you time and making you money today.
And just like that, you've done something really powerful. I mean, think about where you were just a few minutes ago, maybe feeling a little behind, a little overwhelmed. And now you get what AI is in simple terms, you know how it can help you, and you have a clear 5-step plan to get started. That is a huge, huge shift. So I'll just leave you with this one final thought. Forget about mastering everything tomorrow. Just focus on today. What is the one small, simple task you are going to hand over to your new assistant right now?